So show you guys, this is the bare-rooted strawberry that I just dunked it 1 minute ago. And this is Choga strawberry variety, big one and very sweet. So I just put this with seaweed solution with the warm water, not very warm, just a little bit warm. So I dunked this for 1 hour before I planted this in my pots and put it in the greenhouse. So yeah, this is what you call strawberry bare-rooted. See, they send you when you do order that in the reputable company here in Australia. They send it like that. It's dry one, and now 1 week later it grow on me in the house. So yeah, nice and warm. And this is it. I let this root soak, nice good soak in the seaweed solution with warm water, little bit of warm, and then I remove them, and that's it. Hello guys, this is the strawberry that they sent us. They ordered it online, and this is 5 runners in here, but they are bare-rooted strawberries. So I'm going to remove this now one by one. So this is not only strawberry chuga here, there's also strawberry adina. So there are 5 runners here, see. So the runners or the strawberry bare-rooted like this, they are better than seeds, because seeds you have to wait for ages. So when you buy already runners, strawberry runners like this one and bare-rooted, they send you, but now it's growing for me. It's been a week since I arrived, but this time I really have to plant this. So they send it like this. So I'll show you what's inside here, guys. Also they have instructions here. So I've got seaweed solution here, so I only get very light. We have a nice pail here, nice warm water. So yeah, put that one. So what I do here, I'm going to use that and soak these runners, so they will active, and the roots will get nice and bigger, better. And see that, it's very light solution here that I put. I will probably add a little bit more, why not? Have to be very light though, so add a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Probably just half amount of this thing I use like that, just half of this container lid. So now we leave that there. So I put this aside. This one sit aside though. This time I'm going to chop this. I'm going to soak this for 30 minutes or 1 hour. These bare-rooted roots from strawberries. So first we have to do the choga one, and then I'll follow this one later. We're gonna remove this slowly first from the cocoa core or coconut fiber before we put this in the pot. There it is. So I'll show you what we're gonna do with this. So don't chop this. Don't throw this coconut fiber, cocoa core, because you can still use it. So here it is. That is the bare-rooted strawberry look like. Cheers, guys. Now we have to separate it one by one. Make sure if there's growing seedlings already like this, there are already eyes coming, make sure you don't chuck them. So here again, oh, it's already been separated. Cool. Seedcollection.com.au. So the instruction says if you see this dry like that, you have to cut them away with a scissor or anything that you can cut. Then don't include it in your seaweed solution water. Some of them are rotten. Yeah, cut them away. So only if they're soggy like that, guys, see, super moist and nothing life on this, you have, that's the one you have to cut them. The rest that they are not like that, don't remove them. Okay, see, very rotten. So we have to separate them somewhere. So enjoy, guys, watching me while I'm cleaning this one. Okay, thank you. We have to cut this as well. So I guess the rest, oh no, they are all rats. See that one? They are organized and Awesome. That's good thing. They already separate that instead you separating it yourself. So we'll see if there are 5 runners are here. So I can see one here. 1 runners. 2. Thanks acidcollection.com. You already separate this instead me doing this for myself. Untangle it forever. Okay. There's more that need to clean it too. So the rest is fine. You can do that in my hand. You can use the gloves, guys, if you liked. But me, I don't use gloves right now. It's fine for me. Here it is. Sometimes I do wear gloves, sometimes I don't. So I advise you wear gloves if you want that. So here it is, guys. So we're gonna so they said it's 5 runners here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, said collection. You only send me. Oh no, there is more. But they send me very, very small. Look at this. We've been too long customer for them. I've been ordering like hundreds and hundreds of them already. From the seeds, edible seeds. Now this time I ordered the onion bulbs and this bare-rooted. So first time I order from them and they send me this one. 3 nice one. You have to, some of them are not rotten, so you don't cut them. Some is rotten and also. Yeah. So before I dunk them in the pail, where bucket full of water with our seaweed solution, I remove this soggy, yucky thing first. The rest that they're not soggy, don't touch them. Let them be. Alright, let's just keep doing this, guys. Yes, enjoy. So here it is. So we got 5 of them. 2, 1, 2. So they just really send you. This one is damaged. Oh well, it will grow again. So they send you. We send us 1, 2 of this. See, this is what you call bare-rooted strawberry. It's roots that been dried, but once you activate like this one in the winter, from autumn to winter, then they'll be fine. It's really is their season. So 1 big one and a lot of roots in here, really nice and healthy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This 2 is, I don't know what's happened. Anyway, guys, let's dunk this in here. Let's go this overnight or 1 hour. They're fine. So I'm probably gonna do this in 1 hour. So I'll be back to it. Make sure your water is, if it's cold weather right now, because it's dawn right now, it's easy to get really quick to get dark here in the winter. So that do this before you plant this in your pots. So I let them be now. So this time I'll discard this, all of this, and then I'll just chuck this in the compost, and then I'm gonna do the rest. I'll do the same thing with this, but I'm gonna separate this after I do this. Anyway, guys, I'll show you what I do here. So in here I got a cocoa core here. Cocoa core that I've been using already last time. Seedling cocoa core. From your city center, garden center, buy that one. And then I'm going to remove that. And then also I mix this with a little bit of premium mixed soil and then vermiculite. I'll put them together, and then a little bit, tiny bit of manure, chicken manure. I got that, and over here I got these pots that I've been ready. See, don't go smaller than this, guys. This guy here is the best size. I don't know what's the size of this, but they are not too small. So this is the big one. So I buy that from Strawberry Seedlings from Garden Center as well. So we're not using it again. See, that was from Strawberry. Oh, Pepperonia. This one from Simbidium. Oh well. See, this one from buy that from the Blueberry. So I'm gonna put halfway for that, so I can put this strawberry. So I got this one here. So this is what I do, and I'll put them for 2 weeks or so until they grow nice, heavy, and healthy seedlings. So I see you guys when I finish this one. So for now, this is what I'm gonna show you while I'm doing that. So in the next episode, I show you what I'm gonna do with this and mix together. Then we're gonna pot this all the strawberry adina and strawberry chaga while this one is soaking. So after 1 hour or so later, I remove this and then I'm going to put this in the pot. Meanwhile, I'll go attend my mixture like this, and then I put them together with the manure, the blood and bone, and the chicken manure, and potting mix, and this one. So yeah, see you in the next, guys. Cheers. All right, this is it. See you in the next one for this. We're gonna plant the strawberry. This one for now, we're gonna leave them. All right. Okay. I guess you can put water too without any solution, but I want the roots to get really nice and healthy for me. All right, guys. Cheers.